toy review today. I'm going to start off with the blind box. You know, I got it from Bix A Million. It's already broken open. I'm going to go from that side. Ah! Ow. Get this thing out. Get it out. Rip it open. We got Batman. Wait. Oh, yeah, we got him. Put that off to the side. Now we're going to start with our Lego minifig. Take it out. Scissors in it. Okay. Oh, Joe never did that. His whip. Oh, here's your body. I think we got the Explorer. Get all the other pieces out. Pants, head. There's his hat, or hers hat, or her. Now let's get this put together. Put her head on, feet, hair, her donuts, which we're gonna put in her hand right now. If we can fit it. There we go. She's got a cookie in her hand. Oops. She dropped a cookie. Ah, she has no hair. It's really funny. Got the Explorer. Let's put this thing in. Okay. Let's put her hair in. Put this bone my mom found in. And there you have it. Our toy review. These are the two characters we got. Got this guy from Marbles. Got the Explorer. Oh, and I forgot to show you which one I really wanted. I really wanted, the person I really wanted was, the person I really wanted was this guy, or 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 that guy, or this guy, because those are really cool guys. So, I really want them. One has a Christmas blossom. It's not Christmas, guys. Of course it's not Christmas. Bye.